tryna be cracked. They tryna be cracked. She wanna be cracked.
Hey guys, it's me Monique. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be about how to achieve a good braid out. I just washed my hair, by the way. It looks dry, but my hair dries up so fast. Anyways, the first step is parting your hair down the middle of your head all the way to the back, so you have two even sections. Your part doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, all the way to the back. Then what you want to do after that is take a scrunchie or whatever you guys tie your hair in. Take that, catch half of your hair up and put it in a bun. So the first item I'm showing you guys is this spray bottle. Mine has water and oil in it, but water is just fine. You could just have water and you're good. And I'm just spraying my hair with this. Your hair doesn't have to be like really wet, but you don't want it to be too dry either. So you just need it to be damp. That's it. Then I'm just taking my little comb. I'm gonna part a section of hair, not too small, about this much, as you guys can see. The parting doesn't have to be perfect either, but you know I'm a perfectionist, so I'm doing it till it's perfect. Alright, it's time to start braiding now. I'm just detangling my hair, so the process is way easier when it's time to braid. I'm taking this tea tree oil. Guys, get some tea tree oil. This works so good for my hair. Like, I've just been using it ever since, and my hair just been growing, so get some. I'm putting a lot through my hair. Then I'm taking this Cream of Nature Moisture Whip Twisting Cream, adding this to this little section. Then I'm going to be taking Cantu also applying it to this section. Then, okay, I'm still applying. Okay. Then I'm taking this spray bottle again, adding some more water. And then time to braid. I'm detangling and then time to jump right in. So when I start braiding, as I'm braiding, I like to add more products to my hair. Oil, gel, all that while I'm braiding. So I know that once it's dry, it's gonna come out really defined, since like the product is in between the braid. Alright, I'm on to the second section. It is the same process as the first section. I'm taking my spray bottle, adding some water to my hair. Then I'm taking this Eco Gel. This is the only other thing that I added that I didn't show in the first part. And then the rest of the products that I use is the same thing that I used in the beginning. And I'm just detangling, and then I'm just gonna start braiding again. Do you guys see how I'm twisting my ends right now? Make sure after every braid that you do, make sure you twist your ends. Because like, if you take your hair out and you didn't twist your ends, the ends are just gonna look straight and trashy. It's just gonna look so bad. That's unless you have curly hair. I mean, your hair is gonna be curly either way. But like for me, since my hair isn't curly, I always make sure my ends are twisted. And I make sure I add a lot of products to the ends, because the ends of your hair is always really dry, and you don't want it to be dry when you take your hair out. You want everything to be nice and moisturized. This is the finishing look of half my head. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, but you guys get the gist. Don't be looking at my naps. See how I grabbed it? Don't be looking. Yeah, I had to pause the braiding real quick. Just had to do my edges, because throughout this whole video, my head was on 10. It was just booming. But now, edges looking good, and I'm just gonna speed this video up for you guys. Finally, I'm done. This is the finishing look before the braid out, and that's just it. All right, guys, so it is about 2 days later. My braids are fully dried. It is so early. It's like 10 o'clock, and I just decided to take the braids out now. So what I put in my hair is a little bit of oil, not too much, because then your hair's gonna get like frizzy and you don't want that to happen. So I just put a little bit. I try to oil my scalp while I'm at it. But like when doing like a braid out, you have to make sure that your hair is fully dry, because if it's damp, you're not really gonna get like the best effect of it. So you have to do it on wet hair, and then when it's fully dry, that's when you can take it out. As you guys can see, I did not tie my hair down. It just looks crazy. I also like to oil the ends a little bit. Hopefully this braid out works out. Like, let's hope this isn't a fail, because sometimes my braid outs don't be like working out, but we shall see. Honestly, when doing braid outs, I feel like it's all luck, because one day my hair want to work out, the next day it doesn't. Try to do it gently, don't go too crazy, and try not to, like, you know, separate the hairs until like the end, when you know how puffy or frizzy you want it. Also, while I go, I like to have the oil on my hands while I'm unbraiding it, just to keep my hair moisturized. Guys, this is my hair after a braid out. It looks so good. Like, do you guys see that? It looks so good. And I didn't even like stretch it yet, because I want it to be like more fuller. So I take this pick and I just kind of do this. Lastly, I like to do my edges. Guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope this video will help you guys achieve a good braid out. If you haven't followed me on social media, you guys should. My Instagram is amormoash. My Snapchat is mo.valid. If you have any other questions, you guys feel free to comment it down below.